Yo, welcome back to the channel. We're headed out to Florida. Steven's already there. I'm gonna meet him there, so I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright guys, I'm here. I forgot to record anything, but we're here.
Hop out the 4x4, get out of my bitch love rock so shit, guns and roses shit. I'm on my top though shit.
Vlogging it up.
Vlogging it up, homie.
Brought mine. Here we go.
Oh, vlogception?
You see my fucking threes? Like,
Oh, dude, it fell or what?
only like 50 times. Just the screen. The
Oh,
screen's
you got
all.
the action.
It's cracked. Yeah, I got the Action
That's
5.
sick. We got one too. Yeah, they're rad.
I have one too.
Oh yeah, you
Hop out the vitamins, step out the rip, step out the elements, popping on tracks, eyes and elephant.
Let the madness begin. Let's go! Hey, everybody gather together. Now you see a car coming through there, and this is your setting.
Yeah.
Spill. Apex. And then come through here, dip down into here. Break. Coming through. Now this is the scary part here, in my opinion. Break in gravel and dirt. Gas. Take it wide over here. I'll take it wide over here.
This grass is gonna be fucked by.
And then I'm gonna apex right here.
What grass?
Apex.
Yo, Steven, how was that?
I'm just happy to get out of the car, to be honest.
So this is where Steven's gonna be at, dude. Got that good flare?
Just a big line across the whole fucking screen.
And I'm gonna be over there. Yo, welcome back to the wackest vlog you guys ever seen. Yeah, we're out here shooting.
We whack?
What are you shooting right now? The wall.
I'm shooting the company that pays us.
The wall.
Actually, I'm shooting the company that pays the company that pays us. Yeah.
Do that.
Are you fueled by enthusiasts?
Mm-hmm.
Are you an enthusiast?
Yeah. Because you're recording? Yeah.
I'm not even recording.
Oh, then fuck that, dude.
We need content, right? Last thing we need is for these guys to be blowing up their shit, breaking an oil pan or something, right?
For sure.
So it's probably the worst vlog ever. I'm shooting this because we're using my Action 5 Pro for the shoot. I don't want some dumbass shit in there. So I'll probably scratch this vlog. Look at this, dude. This is how they close the doors for the buses. That's crazy. Oh yeah, I'm also getting freaking wrecked by the dirt, dude. That shit's just flying everywhere, dude. In my eyes, in my hair, my clothes. Probably my sensor, dude. Rip. Gonna need to take a shower, clean everything. Yo, welcome back. Steven's still here. I know you guys haven't seen him in like 2 hours.
You just been solo vlogging?
No.
Oh, no? Oh.
It's so trash. You said the footage doing a burnout.
Sir.
I'm gonna buy one of these when I grow up, dude.
I like it. Not really gonna do this.
What up?
Oh my god.
We're done. Waiting for the airplane.
This is gonna be a 40-second vlog.
What was your favorite part of the trip?
Probably now leaving.
Really? Mine was the Formula D Corvette. That thing was sick, dude.
Oh, for this shoot?
Yeah.
I mean, I've been here for like over a week.
For this shoot though. For the video.
Gotcha. My favorite part probably had to be
The bird dying.
the tacos we got for lunch.
That's crazy. We didn't record that, dude. No B-roll. Sorry for no B-roll.
I guess that's how good it was.
See you guys on the next one.
Catch us next time when we. Are you going to Seattle or Washington? Did she ask you for that shoot?
No.
She probably will.
I never get asked anything. And then I'm still here. Alright, peace out. See you guys in Seattle, dude.
Let's cut cameras. Looks like it's gonna take a while. He's gonna need to get towed off the track.
Cutting.